Hey Mojos. Oh, what a great show today. What I have for you today, super special. In today's show, I passed an evaluation live from $50,000 to $53,000, calling out trade after trade after trade. You watch how I trade the NASDAQ futures by not looking at charts and trading in a correlation off the SQQQ ETF. It is quite spectacular. Let's go. Testing 1, 2, 3. Yes, sir. Hey, Mojos. How's everybody doing today? I see. I hope you had a wonderful evening last night. We're going to have a great trading day today. Why? We do that every day. It's already starting out amazing. I've had a great morning. And yeah, show you what's going on and what we have happening. Shoot on over. No one's really happening in the MOJO room right now. And we got a bunch of peeps. Let me turn the mic on. Hey, good morning, everybody. Hey, Faye and JRJO. What's up, Lons? And everybody, hope you had a nice night last night. Mojo did. I did a nice webinar last night. Got some new estudiantes in my live class that I'm going to be teaching post-Thanksgiving. That is something you're not going to want to miss. And I also have, you ready? Get your phone. I just did it for you. So get your phone. You ready? Here it is. Boom. The Futures webinar. The Futures webinar. It's free. It's free. Free webinar. Mandatory. Mandatory. So that's mandatory for traders. You guys, go ahead. Register Reno. That was, out of mostly all the things I've ever taught and how I got it going on the slide presentation, let me just tell you, every person that was there last night stayed to the very end. And it was an hour. It was really, really good. And if you'd love to watch it, it's free. Get your phone, stick it on the QR code right there, and load her up. Put your name in and register. It's all free. And I'll show you what I got going on right now this morning with my trading. It is 9:15. Yes, sir. Hide that for a little bit. So I have 2 DOMs up, and I have right here a, what am I trading? I think one left. Let me just see what this, I don't even know what this account is. I'm trading like one at a time. Okay, this is my PA at 53,138. You know what that is? That means eligibility. You know what that means? Look, see, 53, 53, 53, 53. Look, PA, see? It works, fellas. It works. That's eligible for payout city right now. And then we got a couple of other ones. Not going to show you those yet because I'm still trading on this one. So let me open up this Dom Reno and open up another account of Reno that I'm going to trade with that one. Dude, I bought this morning at 1580. It dropped right down here. I watched it, came back up, went back through Hines. Amazing, isn't it? Amazing, isn't it? Yeah, it's amazing. A lot of the things I taught last night, I love that Heinz move through 16. It was 15.99. It was 16. It was 15.97 once. I nailed some lots there. And then I got flat like 2 minutes before the meeting, the FOMC meeting. And then the FOMC meeting, it dropped all the way to 1580. And I'm like, damn, I just got to wait 2 more minutes. And it's like waited 2 minutes and started my strategy again of scaling in and hitting market order and got a beautiful trade in and made some good money. And then I switched accounts and made money on those. And then I switched again and made money on them. And that's basically what I got going on. You know what I'm saying? Got to move this over a little bit so I could see what I'm doing with my pressing of my buttons right here. So I got 1, 2, lining up Pac-Man. See, it doesn't matter what the charts do, guys, because I just play ebb and flow. See how much money I just made? You see that? Everybody be like, "Oh, it's in the red. My charting is wrong. It didn't work." Screw the charts, man. Charts don't work. Indicators, they don't work. Bots work. You know, bots work. They have artificial intelligence. They work. Got the Alpha bot actually doing good. CL, it's trading crude long, up 450. NQ up 120. RTY up 25. ES up 37. The bot can do that. Could trade 5 or 6 instruments at a time. I could trade one and in one direction, and that's it. Hey, Faye, you should check out that webinar I did last night. Go ahead, Faye. Bang up that baby right there. That webinar I did last night. Futures be absolutely, it really is the best thing that I'll ever do. Helping everybody. Really is, because the accelerator nickels, the 11 to 19 it's going to go to now. It's going to do that. That's 9 cents higher. It's going to, what else? I mean, so look, it's gone to 19, guys. Make some money, man. With MOJO all the way up, it's going to 15 right now. I'm going to break through the top of this bar that it made there at 15. And that's going to make the NASDAQ go lower. I better ask somebody. You want to ask somebody? I did the hats. Didn't sell 10 of them last night, but I wanted one hat's getting $500 in it. $500 in the one hat. MOJO, you do the course, you're going to get a hat, man. See, it's 13, guys. I told you. Look. So you're like, oh, dude, then why'd you sell, dude? Because I always do. As soon as you say, oh, look, it's working, that's called your inner chicken, your inner person. And I've journaled in my trading journal in front of me that when I say, ooh, nice, it's working, 80% of the time it goes lower and the profit I was in is gone. 20% it goes higher. I'm the man. What do you want to do? Do you want to take some profit when it moves higher? That's why I like the micros, so I can get a bunch of them and keep a bunch of them. Like this one, I have 5. Let's get to 3 on that one. Let's get to 2 on that one. That's how you do it. Let's see what I'm made right now. So I'm up 111 and 108 and 18. Little pangers, little pangers. Where could you believe it went to 15,600? Can you believe that? It went to, I'm up 119. Can you believe it went to 6? Let me show you on the chart. Where'd it go? Where's that sucker? Here it is. It went to 16,050, dude. It went through Heinz 16,000, dude. Look at that. Not freaking unreal. I was like, dude, it's never, ever been there like ever, the NASDAQ. Has it? Ever been there? I don't think so. putting one back in, taking one off. You just got to press the buttons, dude, and anticipate because it's very fast. So I got one each. Let's see what I made just flicking around doing that shit. Nice. I made 455 and 170, baby. See, I don't look. I just freaking press. That's a good lyric too. I don't look. I just press. My money don't jingle. My money folds, bitch. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now I'm at 51.4, 51.5, 10 left. 51,500. The other one I'm done for the day at 53,223. Pay out there in 10 days. 10 days, I'll have another $2,000. It'll be at 55,000 when I'm ready for my payout. And I'll take 1,000. I'll leave it to 4,000 in there and grow it to 57. I taught it in my webinar why I do that. Why I'd only take out, instead of taking the max 2,000, why do I do that? You guys have no idea. You watch the webinar, you'll learn that. I taught it last night why I do that. This swoop should put me to 52,000 if it goes back to 08. See how I line it up right there at the beginning, and there they're taking them right there. See it? See, they took the whole row. Look at that, 44 left. I'm at 51.6 now. Told you. And that wasn't even a great one. Now I'm at 51.7. Told you. Now I'm at 51.8. 10 left. Now I'm at 52,000. 6 left. 51.9. 51.9. Up $1,470 live. Here's we go. 52,000. 51.96. Wait for it to dip again. I'm going to add back and sell it right back here at 10. Got 4 left. 52,000 crossing like I told you I was going to do exactly on that trade. If you want to trade with me, you'll go to that webinar. You'll watch that thing. It'll be the best thing you've ever done. And you'll sign up and trade with me. Done. It's a no-brainer, man. I haven't looked at a chart once. You could see that, right? Once. Passing evals, playing the DOM and the price of the ETF, because that's the NASDAQ. As that rises, I'm making money. As it dips, I'm freaking losing and adding. Flat. Pressed it too many times. 51,959. Put it back to 1. Let's get back in the trade and build another position. Yes, sir. For the break of 15. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm in 5. That's how it doesn't matter where you do it. If it dips, I add. When it rises, I profit. I'm up $50 right down there. Done on that. I'll be over 52 in a second. Goes to 7, go back to 10. Otherwise, it's going to 15. That's what it does. Look, I told you. Look, I'm at 52.50 now. See? Look, 52,000, it's going to 15. I told you, take another one off the table. Every time I talk how great it is, you got to take a profit. I could be going in large because I know which way it's going, but I just got to follow my system and plan, man. Because I'm the fucking best. Don't got to be the #1 goddamn YouTuber out there to fucking show you how to make money. Because the other people out there ain't showing you anything. They ain't showing you anything. 16, told you. Told you. Got 1 left. The MOJO day trading room is the most silent chat room. If you want to come to a chat room when no one talks and it's silent as can be, you know what I'm saying? So MNQ trade, did you get any? Yes, no, or I wish I did. Let's see in the MOJO room. We're going to do 2 polls. This is the first poll. And then we're going to see if we hit the daily goals is the next poll. So we got 2 polls running in the Mojo room. Let's see what people put, if anybody's alive, because I don't think people are. Told you, I'm up 18 hundo right there. Passing that eval, I got 1,000 to go. Go to 12, I'm adding. Ebb and flowing, lower low, boom, 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 trekking up higher. Going through 15 right there. Look, told you. Take some off the table. Every time I talk how great it is, got to take some off the table. $52,300. I just looked up. This one should get me close. 52,500. 52,600. 52,700 goes to 16 right here, new high. Live on the Mojo show, of course. Dude, I do this every day. It's no big deal. Not like I have to go tout my freaking horn. I'm the #1 day trader on YouTube. No, you're not, dude. You're the #1 amount of followers. Yeah. But you're not the #1 day trader, dude. By any means. Any means. Nobody is. I've the most videos. I've done this the longest. It goes by tenure. Who's done the most? Who's been in it the longest? The OGs? Me? Yeah, you're good. You're good out there, guys. You're good. But you're not as good looking as the Moj. Dude, I'm like your dad, dude. And I'm a freaking good looking dude. 50,500, boys. That's how it works. Let's go. Let's go, Mojos. 52,500 away from getting this new PA account. Yes, sir. You want to know how I do that? Let's go. There you go. Look, new high 17. Look, new high 8. Told you it was going to 19. How do I know that? I teach it in my stock course. I could bet money on it every time. That's how it works, guys. That's how it freaking works. And you don't believe me, then do it yourself. Go look at a chart and say, oh, you know, I'm going to fill in the gap. And yeah. What the hell's a gap, dude? Gaps between your ears, dude. Gaps between your damn legs. Let's go. Back to 52.5. See, a bad trade, and I didn't lose, dude. 52.5. I'm good. Done. Flat. See that? 52.5, dude. Not such a great trade, but I didn't lose nothing and shit. Because I'm doing the micros. Those would have been the minis you would have busted. You lost every bit of profit, and you would have busted your account. Now I get to buy that dip again. Here's $80. That's $80. This is $150. I'm at 52.7. It's jumpy right now, man. It's gonna jump. Look at that. 52.7. This should fund me right here. 52,800. See how good I am? Mr. Mojo Protector. So I had ace queen, you had ace king. Big deal. I had pocket kings, you showed me pocket aces. It happens, man. But I didn't lose my entire chip stack. See the risk management, Moj? Do you? Because that's how you're going to win. So if you go to my webinar that I gave last night, you could sign up for my course that I'm giving live post-Thanksgiving on November 27th, 28th, and the 29th. Right there. 17, 18. Told you. 18. Told you. Taking one off the table. New high. 19. Told you. How do I know that? Take the futures course, you'll find out. 19 new high. $100 away from being funded. Now, I told you it was going to do that. How do I know that? Take the course and you'll know it too. And if you know which way the market's going before it goes there, you don't need a goddamn chart. Because when everyone's buying the green bar like you higher, I'm selling. You could see that. And when the red bar's lower and you're losing and getting stopped out for losses, I'm buying you. You could see that, right? Good. Until the next time, peace. Keep it profitable, man. See you later. Emojis.